Hi guys, you are watching TechBros English. In this video, I am going to show you how you can remove pattern lock of your OnePlus Nord CE mobile. Guys, with the help of this method, you can also remove pin lock, pattern lock in OnePlus Nord and other OnePlus mobiles. But before formatting your OnePlus Nord CE mobile, you have to remember some important points in your mind. Format and hard reset process erase all its data like photos, videos, contacts. And after format and hard reset process, you have to enter your same OnePlus account and Gmail ID that you have synced before formatting your mobile. And format and hard reset process takes approximately 5 to 10 minutes, so charge your mobile at least 20%. So now to remove your pattern lock, first of all switch off your mobile. Now press volume down button and power button together and switch on your mobile. As OnePlus logo appears, release both buttons. Now here it's asking you to enter your pattern lock. So now select forgot password. Now it shows you will lose everything. Press OK. Now press OK again. So guys, now your mobile is formatted and hard reset and it takes approximately 5 to 10 minutes to reboot again. So just wait and don't press any button. So guys, after 5 minutes your mobile is rebooted. Now you have to set up your mobile as new mobile. So press start. Press agree. If you want to copy your data from your Google account, then press next, otherwise press don't copy. Instead of your pattern lock, you have to enter your same Gmail account that you have synced before formatting your mobile. So I am going to enter my Gmail account to reset my pattern lock. So guys, it's unlocked now. If you want to continue with this account, then you can continue, otherwise you can use new account to set up your mobile. If you want to set up your device with navigation gestures, then you can continue, otherwise you can use this home, recent and back button. So guys, now after 5 minutes our mobile is ready to use and now we have removed its pattern lock. Guys, with the help of this method, you can also remove pattern lock in OnePlus Nord and other OnePlus mobiles. Guys, if you have any question, please comment, like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.